Technology creates excellence. Integrity builds brand. This is a piece of ancient and magical land. This is a city full of energy. Changzhou is a fledgling industrial city with a rapid development in China's reforms and opening. It not only enjoys rich resources, but also the talented people, which is one of the 5 major cities in the State Council of China's 15 program focused on the development of the Yangtze River Delta region. Changzhou, Jianbao, Jianglia Steel Bar Connection Engineering Company Limited, JBCZ, is located in this city with economic prosperity, traffic convenience, beautiful environment, full of vigor and vitality. JBCZ was founded in 1987 with China's first reinforced mechanical connection factory. We took part in the first mechanical splice standard of Jiangsu province and the draft of China National Mechanical Connection Standard. We entered into the international market since 2003, and 80% of its products were sold to the international markets, such as UAE, South Korea, Mexico, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Austria, Colombia, Iran, India, Vietnam, Russia, covering 5 continents, 23 countries. Experienced more than 20 years development, JBCZ has stronger production capacity. Our factory had 3 workshops for the production couplers, over 60 sets machinery and equipments, with an annual production capacity of 7.2 million pieces. What's more, we also have 2 computerized numerical control CNC workshops, more than 80 sets of various and large-scale CNC equipments, which can process various couplers and precision workpiece, with an annual production capacity of 6.8 million pieces. Our company not only emphasizes on the development of hardware equipment, but also develops a research and development team with high expanding ability and hardworking spirit. Now, we have more than 20 senior engineers to operate personally in working procedure to ensure the perfection of mechanical equipment. We pay highly attention to the combination of modern management with knowledge and have a powerful foreign trade department who undertakes the purchasing and intention negotiation for customers all over the world. We have quality after-sales service engineers give international customers on-site training to help customers solve some problems in field engineering to let the customers do rest-assured purchasing and application. Quality and credit standing is the survival of the enterprise. The high-quality product is the physical foundation approval by market of the enterprise. Good credit standing is the spiritual pillar chosen by the user. The 2 parts are bonded together, and the crystallization of both is the brand. JBCZ is responding to the importance of brand to be a permanent operating enterprise and devotes our whole heart to build a permanent international brand image. After running over 20 years, our factory has made a number of qualifications and certificates, which contain ISO 9001, 2008 Standard Certification, CE Certification, ACI Certification, National Patent Machine Certificate, First Grade State Qualification Certificate, China Manufacturing Authentication Qualified Supplier, Nominated Supplier by Chinese Construction Association, Technology Progress Award, etc. Our products have passed the international standards requirement, which contain UBC 1997, BS EN 1992, 11, 2004, AC 1318 standard in America, NF35, 2011 standard in France, BS 8110 standard in English, DIN 1045 in Germany, ISO WD 158, 35 draft, etc. JBCZ is purchasing market-oriented, regard quality as life, main products as following. First, offset forging parallel thread connection, patent number ZL9724-3207.8, ZL9721-7900.7. It can process the rebar whose diameter is from 12 mm to 40 mm. It belongs to grade 1 connection. The tensile strength is equal or greater than the rebar's 1.1 to 1.35 times. This kind of connection is very outstanding, effective, and guaranteed in the world. The application of this product is used widely and suitable for all types of project, especially for large size, which requires high standard projects. Operation steps. The first step, GT150 offset forging machine, forge the rebar. The second step, GCL45 threading machine, make thread on the forged rebar end. Types included bright type, black type, hexagonal type, and wavy type, etc. The factory can process them according to customers' different requirement. Second, taper thread product. ZJB09 taper thread machine. It can process steel bar whose diameter is from 60 mm to 40 mm and be used widely in European, American areas, and Middle East. Simple processing, easy operating, convenient connecting, etc. Third, JHB400 Repeal and roll stamping connection. HB400 Repeal and roll stamping machine. It can process the steel bar whose diameter is from 60 mm to 40 mm. Design requirement fits for national grade 2 connection. The connection part strength is equal to the steel bars. With this advantage of fast working and safe labor, it is very suitable for small size project. Fourth, YJ650 and YJ800 cold extrusion press series. There are YJ650 and YJ800, two types of cold extrusion process machines. YJ650 fits for the rebar whose diameter is from 16 mm to 32 mm. YJ800 fits for the rebar whose diameter is from 36 mm to 40 mm. Fifth, JB200, JB300 adding line thread machine. JB200 machine can thread 200 mm length on the rebar. JB300 machine can thread 300 mm length on the rebar. JBCZ also could customize different protection cap and protection cover to protect the thread on both couplers and rebars. Project application. JBCZ project application. Some of national project applications. First, Hangzhou Bay Bridge. Second, Fuchuan Xiajiao Express. Third, Qingshan Nuclear Power Plant. Fourth, Jiaozhou Bay Tunnel. Fifth, Oriental Pearl Tower. Some of international project applications. First, Pakistan Volatile Hydropower Project. Second, Russia Federal Building. Third, Dubai ACC44 Project. Fourth, North Pump Station in Saudi Arabia. Fifth, Malaysia Bintulu Dam Project. Sixth, Sudan Merowe Power Station. JBCZ's machines and couplers are widely used in all types of projects in 23 countries. Its high quality helped us get more highly reputation.
JBCZ 钢筋连接公司25年的创业历程，谱写了今天的朝气蓬勃。公司坚持诚信、创新、专业服务、共赢的经营理念，大力提高产品服务，不断创新专业技术，集成为用户提供一流钢筋连接技术。我代表全体员工，向关心支持我们的广大客户致以诚挚的谢意，希望能与各界朋友进一步增进了解，加强合作，携手共进，共创美好的未来。
With more than 20 years development, JBCZ is deeply welcomed by global customers. We sincerely welcome customers send us local rebars. JBCZ promise we provide free samples, and customers can test our samples at local institutions. Let customers fully recognize our quality before signing the contract. JBCZ General Manager Li Junjiao urged all crews to deliver our sincere greetings to all customers. And welcome group of friends to JBCZ. Connect the world, link the future.